Hey guys, it's the Indian Nerd here. Today I'm making a video on angle grinders. So angle grinders are basically machines with the help of which you can cut through hard materials such as granite, wood or metal surfaces or metal objects easily, and you save a lot of time by doing this with the help of angle grinders. So angle grinder is powered by electricity and yes, it requires a lot of safety and attention when you're using it. So basically this machine has detachable rings. Well, detachable rings, and between these rings you put any discs. So different discs are used for different purposes. They've given me this partner to tighten the two rings once the discs are in place. So I bought a Bosch angle grinder because I prefer Bosch. Okay, so if you compare it with any other local brand, Bosch is one of the best you can get. Okay, it has a lot of safety features and it is a quality product. I've been using it for like 2 to 3 months now. I bought it a year ago on Paytm and it cost me around 2000 odd. So but this is one of the most quality products from Bosch I've ever had. Okay, so I have already cut and sand and polished many items, but I'm going to show you what discs to use and what not to use. So when you're cutting wood, you go with a saw blade. This is called, okay, this is a steel blade. Okay, there are directions for how to place this. Okay, so you got to place it like this in the direction of the movement of the angle grinder. So the angle grinder turns like this, and you got to cut it in a nice way so that you don't damage the disc. Okay, so I have here a blade disc or a diamond segment blade. So this blade can be used for cutting hard materials such as granite. Okay, this is usually used for granite and marble. Okay, so I have these green and blue discs and also colorless discs. So usually these discs have written on them what to use for, such as general steel, stainless steel, hardened steel and cast iron. So if you get these, so you know what they're used for. Okay, you can read it on them. And yes, I have this flap disc or an extra power disc. This can be used for sanding wood or concrete or any of such things. Okay, and I have a non-woven disc. Well, this can be used for sanding, but this is used for completely smooth sanding for only metal purposes. Okay, this can be used to remove paint, the existing paint and such. This can also be used to give a new shine to metal surfaces. So how do you install a disc onto an angle grinder? Basically, you place any disc. For now I'm going to be placing this sanding disc or a non-woven disc. Okay, you have to place it like this. Okay, the labeled part goes above. Okay, the part which isn't labeled goes down, and then you make sure you are placing the ring correctly. Okay, if you place it in this way, like this, it will be wrong. So you have to place it in this way. The topper edge comes on the top. Okay, place it, you turn it a bit. Once it settles in, it's not settling in yet. So once it settles in, you take the punner and tighten it. So you tighten it until the until the disc itself moves. There's a lot of tightening to go. I'm gonna tighten it with hand for some time now. Yes, now I'm going to place the spanner, and they have given you a stop disc right here, stop button. So you press that button, it will hold the disc. Okay, once you press that button, you put the spanner in, you press that button and tighten it. So once you press the button and tighten it, it will fit there tightly and it won't come off. So you got to make sure it is always tight. Even little loose, it will come off and you can get hurt. Okay, so when you're buying an angle grinder, I always recommend safe. Okay, you have to have safety options. So I'd recommend you buying a air filter or a face mask. Well, this actually helps, okay? Or else you're gonna, when you're sanding or when you're cutting wood, all the wood particles will get into your nose if you don't have this, okay, and it'll harm you a lot. Well, you can also buy eye goggle protection and ear muffs, though they are optional. But one thing I would always recommend is you have to buy anti-cut or anti-tear hand gloves. Okay, these are abrasion safety. So these are anti-cut, or basically